Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So either ways, on the dollar yen, like I've been saying, we do have two options. Option number one is that this could end up being a correction to the last 5 waves up. It could make a three-wave pattern to the downside and then turn back up, making an ABC and continuing the uptrend. Option number two is that this really is the end of a wave 5, which it does look like it is, and eventually it's going to go down and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that both options have impulsive, corrective, and impulsive, which is why for me, I don't really care what it is until we get about two-thirds through this third wave. Then we're going to have to decide whether it's a C or whether it is a 3. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3. I think we're in a wave B right now, which is a correction to the wave A, and I'm still not really convinced the wave B is over. I think we might have a little more upside potential. 161, 178 is my area of interest for this to possibly head back down and make a wave C, or maybe a 1, 2, 3. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the bottom of the A or 1. This, I believe, is 3 waves of A, 3 waves of B. Lower low wave B is a big clue for us. And then I think this right here is an uptrend for the wave C. If this really is an expanding flat, which it definitely looks like it is, then the 178, 161.8 or the 261 or 278.6 would be the two targets. I'm definitely targeting the 161, 178 area for a possible end of a wave B or possibly the end of a wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we were able to move our structure because of the most recent move from here to here, which is great news because if it breaks this structure, that will tell us that the wave B is over, which now the structure is much closer. Until that happens, I would continue to look at every single move I see to the downside as nothing beyond a correction to the uptrend. Just like this right here is only a correction to this, and this right here is only a correction to that, and this right here is only a correction to this, and so on, until we get a break of the series of higher highs, higher lows. Every move you see to the downside is likely just a correction to the last impulsive move up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So it does look like it is trying to turn down a little bit. And if it does go down and start breaking structure, then the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on here. Then I would observe the market to see if it makes a corrective pattern, like a 3-wave ABC correction, down to a Fibonacci level. And then if it makes an engulfing move up at a Fibonacci level, then I definitely would take that as another long opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, even this ABC correction all depends on whether we get a break of structure. If we don't get a break of structure, instead it makes a higher low, then that could easily just keep on trending up because there is no signs of an end of a trend on the higher time frames. So we should continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.